Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, let's see how to successfully install PHP into your Windows machine. Go to your favorite browser and type php.net. Once you search for php.net, you will see their official site. Click on download. Seems like the current stable version is 8.3.9. Since I'm doing for Windows, click on Windows Download under the current stable version. You will be navigate for download page. Here is the version 8.3.9. Go to ThreadSafe 64 bits. Download the zip file. Go to the folder that you have saved for downloading from the web. We need to extract the zip file. Give extract all. After the zip file is extracted, I'm renaming the folder so it will be easy for me. Then what I will do is I'm going to put that PHP folder into my C drive because I need to give the path for environment variable. It will be easier. Go inside the PHP folder and copy the path just like that. Go to edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Under system variables, double click on path. In the last row, I'm going to paste the path of PHP. Click on OK. Let me double check for a bit. Click on OK. Now let's check whether PHP is successfully installed. Go to command prompt and type php version. As I can see, the version is showing. If you find this video useful, make sure to subscribe and join for more content like this.